ISO. It's the ISO. Hey YouTube, it's my sister. Remember her from How to Take Better Photos on Your iPhone. Well, you guys, today we're going to put up a Christmas tree. I have everything I need to put up a Christmas tree. My sister said this is not enough ornaments, but I have to take down the tree by myself, so. Ow. It is the next day. Yeah. Anyway, so we're shooting the photo shoot tonight. Yesterday we got the tree up, looking muy bonita. I'm actually gonna go ahead and prepare the set. So I'm shooting at night just so that the lighting is, sorry if that's making a lot of noise. I'm not shooting till 5 p.m. till around the sun starts going down, so I can get the most profound lighting possible, but I do want to go ahead and just get the set ready so I don't try to find no excuses. So I had a roach in my apartment and I was scared to pick it up, but I'm gonna try. Now I'm gonna cover it with this paper towel so I don't have to actually see it. I don't know if it's like a fear of it coming back to life, but like, okay, I totally missed. Okay, let me see. Maybe if I push the door. Okay, that worked. So when I pushed the door, it moved the paper towel on top of a little homie. Oh my gosh. I'm so paranoid, y'all. And I put in a maintenance request. Clear outfit. This is like a horrible fell. I'm making it worse. I put in a maintenance request for them to come get it because I'm like, y'all, I can't even look at a freaking picture. Like, how am I supposed to look at the body? And they canceled my request. I feel like there's something on me. I just need a moment. One second. For whatever reason, this sweatshirt makes me feel a little bit more comfortable. I flipped it over and that just made it worse. It's like stuck on the dustpan. I'm pretty sure I like crushed this thing in half. And it's totally dead if it wasn't hard. I don't want to look at it. So it's stuck on the dustpan. Okay, yeah. This isn't happening. Okay. Okay, let's get ready for the shoot. Okay, so anyways, so I'm shooting basically like right here. There's like my bedroom and then this section. So I'm actually gonna close my bedroom door and I'm gonna be like hiding from someone right here along this wall. And then you're gonna kind of see the silhouette of someone here. So that's the first lighting setup I'm trying to achieve. On me, I'm gonna have like kind of more warm tone lighting and a red light as well. And then the silhouette I want to be completely red. So we're gonna try to put 2 lights on me and 1 light with the silhouette. Okay, so we kind of have my lighting set up. So this light is going to be hitting my shade when it's down with red, creating a silhouette in the background look. This light will be hitting red on me, and then this light will be just warm tone on me, who will be against this wall, creating that dynamic effect. Cinematic AF. I just texted my mom about the traumatizing roach experience I just had. But I'm headed to, I need to see if my package is here. That's what I keep forgetting to do. But I'm headed to pick out wardrobe, and I just like to lay out my wardrobe because it just makes it a whole lot easier. I laid out wardrobe, set is ready, everything's prepared. So in this photo shoot, I'm supposed to be fighting like the Grinch basically. So I was gonna try to play the Grinch, but I have nothing to use to resemble the Grinch. I tried to look for a costume, I couldn't find anything. So therefore, I mean, I probably could have found something if I had actually looked like on Amazon, but I'm shooting tonight. Let me just look. I mean, if they have next day shipper. Anyways, my backup plan, you guys, is to try to just animate the Grinch. So I'm gonna play around with the animation. Okay, we'll see if the animation is just trash and absolutely not. We may buy a Grinch costume, but these are looking mighty expensive for a one-time photo shoot. So hopefully animating works. So I got kind of distracted looking for a solution. I don't know. So there's no Grinch costumes in the area. They're really expensive and I don't think it's worth it for one shoot. So I'm thinking of another villain. Either another villain or trying to turn myself into the Grinch. The easiest one would just be to be someone stealing Christmas. Yeah, I don't know. Let's check the prop drawer. Oh, I already had a Santa hat. Okay, I have this mask, the gold nails. It's funny, all these props have like memories. What a girl wants. Bow and arrow. Dangerous gloves. So I'm leaning toward the mask. I just thought about the fact that I also have reindeer ears. I could do like the evil reindeer. Okay, so I've decided to go for the evil reindeer. Oops. The evil reindeer concept. Let me break it down. So we have the reindeer ears, right? Okay, reindeer, period. All right, so we're gonna do the mask. Because I haven't worn this yet, so that's gonna be a thing. And then I have the dangerous gloves that I weren't dangerous, so that's kind of like, you know, reindeer with claws, right? And then we're gonna have the whip, because you know, I don't know exactly if Santa whips his reindeer, but it's gonna be like reindeer revenge. Why do I have a whip? For the same reason. I have all of this stuff, you guys, okay? Okay, don't get. This is my weapon. I really love like action, sci-fi, fantasy, obsessed with Marvel, Game of Thrones, House of Dragon, oh my god. Any of that. Wednesday was good too, I love that show. Twilight, like, Pulp Fiction is also one of my favorite movies. I don't know if it's that. I kind of squeeze this in the action category. But anyways, all that being said, I want to portray that in like every shoot I do because that's what I love. That's what got me in filmmaking and creativity and all that in the first place. So that's my weapon for this shoot. So it's on theme. It's on Christmas theme. But anyways, yeah, so pretty much we are chilling until around 5 and then we'll get into hair and makeup. Hey guys, what's up? So it's 4 o'clock, which means it's 2 minus 1 hour till the shoot. I'm kind of hungry even though it's 4 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just eat so I don't get hungry during the shoot. And I'm also gonna go ahead and plan my exact hairstyle and pretty much makeup since I'm wearing sunglasses and mask for pretty much both looks. It's gonna be definitely very subtle, but I still just feel the need to have makeup on during shoot for whatever reason. But anyways, yeah, let's get it. Like a hip hop move. should probably stretch first. No more delaying. Oh my gosh, my hair. I'm stuck. Okay. So you guys, it's officially 5 o'clock, which means it's time to get ready. But I kind of want to pre-set up my camera, not 100% set it up, but like at least get it on the tripod and in perspective and all that kind of stuff, because you know, once I get my face beat, I don't like to sweat. Who does? I don't know, this on my shirt. Oh, that's probably ketchup too. But I'll eat these fries. Oh my gosh, I'm getting algae ketchup all over the place. I'm ready. Oh, I'm ready. Great power comes great responsibility. I really like this shirt, but it's coming apart. Alright, so this is my beautiful setup. I have my phone on a tripod for TikTok and vertical content. I'm going to pull up on my iPad the screen of my camera so I can see what I'm shooting, and then right here I just have the video plan and all the shots that I need to take while I'm shooting, and then I always have my props nearby, and then my notepad also has just that information. I like to keep any chargers that I might need, like my computer charger, my phone charger at any point, and then over here I like to just have batteries and lights charging because you never know. This battery's about to die right here, so you never know. So now's the fun part. I'm going to set up the camera and try to get the scene to look exactly how I want. Since I'm cloning myself in this shot, the camera can't move once it's set up, so I have to get it right. You'll see on the iPad I have the auto, what's it called, imaging app, imaging mobile for Sony, so I can see what's happening here. I definitely want the exaggeration of a bit of a lower angle, so we're gonna move the camera down a bit. It's like a test shot. Not mad at this angle. I like it. It's just, I feel like it's too generic. Okay, let's just try lower. Why not? I'm gonna go ahead and do an outfit change so I can shoot the over there so I can get the next shot. It is so hot. Oh, I didn't mean so wrong. Outfit 2. I literally look like a dominatrix. So this is supposed to be the evil reindeer. Let's get shot this way. There we go. So it's supposed to be like the evil reindeer that I'm fighting. I was gonna wear a mask, but then I was kind of like, you know what? Reindeers are brown. I spent the time doing my makeup here we are. So basically I'm gonna be like stealing the presents. So yeah, in this shot I'm supposed to be silhouette. Let's get it. Y'all, I literally picked the hardest pieces for me to change out of, like my corset and my bodysuit. We're moving on to scene 2, which is the fight scene. This scene is probably the most of all of this, but yeah, gotta make it happen. I'm here. Coming on. Come down. Oh my gosh, I'll have a headache. So I'm on the last look, which was honestly just this look. I'm chilling under the tree like, yeah, I did it. Success. Don't mess with me, homie. Nah. Let's get it. I need hot cocoa. Hot cocoa. Ta-da. Tis the season. Enjoy the final result.